Appointment of Judges of the Supreme Court. Judges of the Supreme Court of India are appointed under Article 124 of the Constitution of India. Formally, the President of India appoints the judges, but in practice the appointments are made through the collegium system to safeguard judicial independence. Under this system, the Chief Justice of India, CJI, and the four senior-most judges of the Supreme Court recommend names for appointment, and the President acts on these recommendations. If the collegium reiterates a name, it becomes binding. To be eligible, a person must be a citizen of India and must have been a judge of a high court for at least 5 years, or an advocate of a high court for at least 10 years, or be a distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. The Chief Justice of India is usually appointed on the basis of seniority among Supreme Court judges. This appointment process aims to ensure that the Supreme Court remains independent, competent, and impartial, thereby protecting the rule of law and constitutional supremacy. Appointment of other judges. The appointment of other judges of the Supreme Court of India is governed by Article 124 of the Constitution of India. These judges are appointed by the President of India, but in practice the appointments are made according to the collegium system, under which the President acts on the recommendations of the Chief Justice of India and senior judges of the Supreme Court. This system has been evolved through judicial decisions to ensure the independence of the judiciary from executive influence. In addition to permanent judges, the Constitution provides for special appointments. Under Article 127, if there is a lack of quorum of permanent judges, the Chief Justice of India, with the prior consent of the President, may appoint a judge of a high court as an ad hoc judge of the Supreme Court for a temporary period. Further, Article 128 empowers the Chief Justice of India, with the consent of the President and the judge concerned, to request a retired judge of the Supreme Court or a high court, who is otherwise qualified, to sit and act as a judge of the Supreme Court. These provisions ensure that the Supreme Court functions smoothly and efficiently, even during shortages of judges, while maintaining the quality, experience, and independence of the judicial system.